Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 11.1 question number 5. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Let us solve this one. First of all, we'll solve question number A. Question number A. You have to find the perimeter of all these figures, right? Therefore, radius. First we will find the radius. Here it is given the diameter. Diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter. As 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter. Therefore, you know that radius is equal to half of diameter. Radius is equal to half of diameter, that is 1 by 2 into 2.8 into 2.8 centimeter. That means we are getting 202 to 48 1.4 centimeter, right? We'll find the perimeter of this given figure. Perimeter of this given figure is equal to perimeter of the given figure perimeter of the given figure is equal to, here if you name this one as A, this is B, this is C point. Therefore, perimeter of the given figure is AB. Perimeter of the given figure is AB. A to B plus the curved region BCA, BCA. Then is B to C, C to A, right? Therefore, AB is given 2.8 centimeter. AB is 2.8 centimeter. And we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Therefore, it is semicircular, right? Therefore, half of the circle is, the perimeter half of the circle is 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2, that is equal to pi r. Therefore, BCA, this region is pi r plus pi into r. Therefore, we are getting, here it is, we are getting 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter plus pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. A radius you are getting here is 1.4 centimeter, right? Therefore, 7 is 7 and 7 2 is 14, that is 0.2, right? Therefore, we are getting 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter plus 22 into 0.2, 22 into 0.2, 2 to the 4, right? That is 4.4. That is, we are getting 4.4 centimeter, 4.4 centimeter. We add this one, 4.4 with 2.8, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1 is 2, 4 to 6 plus 1 7, that is 7.2 centimeter. That's we are getting 7.2 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of this figure is 7.2 centimeter. That is A, right? Now we'll solve question number B. Now here we got the perimeter of this as 7.2 centimeter, right? Of A, perimeter of figure A is 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 centimeter. And find the perimeter of this figure, that is B. Right? Here you find that the diameter of this diameter is this one. Diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter. Diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter. Is given as 2.8 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to diameter by 2. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is 2.8 by 2 centimeter. And that is we are getting 2 on 2, 2 4 8, 1.4 centimeter. Right? Now, if we name this one as A, B, C, D, then you'll find that the perimeter of this figure, find the perimeter of this figure as perimeter of this figure, perimeter of this figure, perimeter of this figure is equal to length of AB plus BC plus CD plus the curved part DA, D2A, the curved part, right? AB, the length of, here you see length of DC is 1.5, the length of AB is also 1.5, right? This length is also 1.5, this is also 1.5. And here you see this is 2.8, that means the length of BC is also 2.8 centimeter. Right? Now if we add this one, AB, length of AB here you see is, the length of AB is 1.5 plus length of BC is 2.8 plus length of CD is 1.5 plus length of DA curved part. This is semicircular, right? That is, we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The half of that is 2 pi r by 2, 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. That is pi into r. So we are getting d as pi into r, right? That we are getting, if we add this one, that is 1.5, 2.8 and 1.5, then we are getting, here you see 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 plus 2.8, 3 plus 5.8. If we add this one, we are getting 5.8. You see here 1.5 plus 2.8 again plus 1.5. We add this one, 5 10 plus 8 18, 1 it is 8. 1 it is 8. 2 3 4 5, that is 5.8. If we add this one, we are getting 5.8, right? Therefore we are getting 5.8 centimeter plus pi r. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius. We are getting half of that, this is 1.4. It is 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14, that is 0.2, right? We are getting, if we multiply 22 with 0.2, that is 2 to the 4, it is 4.4, right? Therefore we are getting 5.8 centimeter plus 4.4 centimeter. We add this one, that is 5.8 with 4.4, 0.4. 8 for 12, carry 1, it is 2. 1, 5, 5, 5, 10, that is 10.2 centimeter. Then we are getting 10.2 centimeter, we are getting 10.2 centimeter, right? Therefore, A part is 7.2 and perimeter of B is 10.2 centimeter, right? That is 7.2, A is 7.2, A is 7.2 and B is 10.2 centimeter, right? Now we'll solve the third part, that is C. Now we get the perimeter of A as 7.2 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, and perimeter of B, this part is we get 10.2 centimeter, 10.2 centimeter. Now I'll find the third part, this one, right? Let us solve the perimeter of the third part, this one. If we name here it, if we name this part as, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, then we are getting perimeter of the given figure. Then we are getting perimeter of the given figure, perimeter of the given figure of the given figure, perimeter of the given figure is equal to here see AB, A to B plus B to C plus the curve part C to A, right? Here you see AB is given as 2 centimeter, plus BC is given as 2 centimeter. That means we have to find the part of CA, length of CA, right? Here you see that diameter is given, here the diameter is 2.8, diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. Therefore we know that radius is half of diameter, that is 2.8 by 2, 2.8 by 2 centimeter, that is we are getting 2 1 2 and 2 4 1.4 centimeter. And this is the semicircular part. We know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Therefore circumference of half of circle is 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. Therefore it is CA is pi into r. Therefore we are getting 2 plus 2 is 4 centimeter, plus pi r. The value of pi we know is 22 by 7, that is 22 by 7 plus into radius. Radius we got it as 1.4 centimeter. Therefore we are getting 7 is 7 and 7 to the 14, that is 0.2 centimeter. Therefore we are getting 4 centimeter. We are getting 4 centimeter plus 22 into 0.2, that is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore we are getting 4 plus 4.4, that is 8.4 centimeter, 8.4 centimeter. This is the C part. Therefore here you see that in A part the perimeter is 7.2 centimeter, B part perimeter is 10.2 centimeter, and C part perimeter is 8.4 centimeter. Right? The question is, for which foot piece would the ant have to take a longer round? That is for this one, B part, that is 10.2 centimeter. Right? Therefore we can write. Therefore we can write for which foot piece the ant. We can write the ant will have to take. Therefore the ant will have to take to take a longer round round in figure B in figure B because the perimeter of B is highest, that is 10.2 centimeter. Because the perimeter because the perimeter because the perimeter of figure B the perimeter of figure B is the greatest of all right? That means perimeter of A is 7.2 centimeter, perimeter of B is 10.2 centimeter, and perimeter of C is 8.4 centimeter. Therefore, the ant would have to take a longer round in figure B, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.